Hello everyone, welcome back to Nija Education channel. I hope you all are doing well. Before we start this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the notifications. In the previous video, we learned how to insert shapes in your document. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert header and footer in your documents. So let's start that. As you can see, I have created the blank document over here. I will click on the insert tab and then this is your header and footer group. This is your header which helps you to repeat content at the top of every page. Footer which will help you to repeat content at the bottom of every page, and the page number, the number of the pages in your document. Click the drop down arrow and as you can see, built-in headers are listed over here. If you go down, so many headers they have. You can select any one of them. If you want to go for more headers, so from office.com you can select other headers as well, as you can see here. From the header option, if you select the inbuilt header, so did you see that? I'm going to write Nija Education over here. As soon as you insert the header, you will have the design and format tab for the header, right? So from design tab, I am going to select the footer and I will select one footer from the inbuilt, and this is the footer. Here I will type the name. And as you can see, this is your page number. If you have observed, header and footer both are in lighter manner. Okay. So when you get the print of the document, that will be in the brighter manner. So no need to worry about that. Click and then you will be able to see the design tab. Header and footer we have inserted. Now the page number. So where you want your page number, top of the page, bottom of the page, page margin, current position, format page numbers and the removing it. So I will select the bottom, and as you can see, these are the simple formats they have given. So select this one and you will be able to see here page 1 of 1. If you have observed, your footer has been removed, and then for closing your header and footer, close button. Go down and see your footer which you inserted has been removed because you have inserted the page number, but your header is as it is. Double click on that again, and as you can see, date and time which will add the current date or time. Then document info which will insert information about your document such as author or file name. Then next you are having the quick parts which will insert the auto text, document properties and fields anywhere in the document. Then for inserting the pictures in header and footer, we are using the pictures button. Online pictures, if you want any picture to get it from online, you can go for selecting this option, find and insert the pictures. Then navigations, in which if you select go to footer, it will edit the footer on this page, and if you select go to header, after doing this it will edit your header on this page. And then for previous and the next will jump to the next header or footer, and previous will jump to the previous header or footer. And then link to previous section to the continue using the same header or the footer. So this was your navigation. So select the go to footer. So did you see that? If you want to go back to the header, go to header, right? So this is how your navigation works. Then the options, different first page which will give the first page a different header and footer from the rest of your document. Then different odd and even pages which will give or which will specify that odd numbers pages should have a different header and footer from the even numbered pages. And show document text which shows the part of the document not in the header or footer. right? So this is your option. So if you go for different first page, so first page header I am going to write again this Nija Education, and footer I will write the computer. Close the header and footer and go for the next page. So for next page, how we will go? From the insert and then blank page, right? So did you see the difference? Here you got the header which we have selected earlier, and here you have written the manual one. Then header from top, which will specify the distance from the top of the page, top of the header, and footer from bottom, which will specify the distance from the bottom of the page to the bottom of the footer. So if you increase or decrease, if you observe in the document, so this is how does it work. And for footer, it was about your footer from the bottom. Insert alignment tab, which will insert a tab stop to help align content within the header or footer. So click on that, and then you can select which alignment you want, right alignment, left alignment, or center alignment, and you can select the margins over here. So I will select the right and click OK. So did you see your page number is moved to the right alignment, and the last option is for closing your header and footer. So close it. So this is how you insert header and footer in your document. For more videos, stay tuned with Nija Education and keep learning with it.